Hi Pixies, it's me, Pineapple Pixie. I am just showcasing my Las Vegas vlog. I traveled to Las Vegas a few days ago and I thought I might show you everything that I got up to during this time. If you want to know, just watch this video. Thank you. Sorry, my hand was shaking the entire time, but you cannot understand how excited I was to be here, to be staying at Caesar's Palace. It's been on my vision board, it's been on my list of places to go for so long, and now I'm finally getting to do that. I'm literally living my dream right now. So I'm beyond excited, just moving and trying to capture everything, but also trying to live in the moment. It was really hard to do so, but I did the best that I could do. I hope that you enjoyed this little clip of me arriving at the hotel, and then I will show you the foyer, and I will also leave a few clips of me checking into the hotel. I stayed at Augustus Tower. I haven't really looked at the pictures for the other towers, but I liked the way that Augustus Tower looks, so we'll get into it. I can promise you that the camera does not do this place justice, not at all. The casino is nothing but an endless stream of glittering gold lights in here, and it actually wasn't as crowded as I thought it would be, which was good as well. The marble floors were so smooth and everything was spotless. The area, I think it could have used a few more people at the other check-in desks. Not check-in, what is it called? It's like a help desk, but whatever. Guest check-in was really smooth and it went by so quickly. Security checks you before anyone enters the line to check in. I was so tired that I just got in, unpacked a few of my things, took a quick shower, and then I relaxed for a bit before it was time to go and look for something to eat. The view was magnificent. However, my spirits were dampened by this large slab of concrete roof that I was looking at while trying to view the strip. And while others may not see a problem with this, I think that they can enhance this area by putting out plants, perhaps in a labyrinth shape or even in the shape of a Caesar's head, or even just having a Caesar's head sticker or tile out there. Provide something interesting for guests to look at instead of seeing just the plain concrete while we want to look at the strip in the morning. As you can see, I'm watching the sunrise and also watching traffic. Then there's a few commercials for absinthe and other shows that are being performed during this time. I was actually quite disappointed in Gordon Ramsay's fish and chips restaurant. I had high expectations, however, my expectations were not met. While the food looked really good, really scrumptious, everything was perfectly golden, the service was great, and it was also very fast. The food wasn't very flavorful. It was simple tilapia fried, and then the fries didn't have any how would I want to say, trademark seasoning or anything that made it differ from a regular fry that you can get from any takeout restaurant. It really wasn't worth the $15-16 that I spent on each box of fish and chips, and it comes with a drink. The drink, however, was really good, but they ran out of drink options quite soon, so that was really disappointing. We didn't get there until maybe 1 p.m. or something like that, around 1. Yeah. Take a moment to admire the architecture and all the small details that have been put into this entryway into the casino at the Venetian. They literally have a canal running through the hotel. That is insane. That is really insane. I didn't even know that this kind of thing existed until I came here. When you're thinking of booking a vacation at Las Vegas, I want you to pay attention to the fact that all of the hotels pretty much have the same thing going on. Each of them have a casino, and each of them have luxury shops and restaurants inside. They also have Starbucks and other popular destinations. The thing that differs between all of these hotels is the aesthetic. The way that it is mapped out is quite similar. Each of them have a casino, each of them have a luxury shopping center. So I think it will be up to you as the consumer to decide which one meets your vibe. For me personally, I really loved my stay at Caesar's Palace. and I do love the look of the Venetian, so I think the next time that I come to Las Vegas, I will definitely book a stay at the Venetian. I thought this picture of Gordon was mad funny, like ridiculously funny. Any Bahamian or anyone who has been to the Bahamas and had a Kalik like platinum would know that this bear basically tastes like a hot Kalik like platinum. There's nothing particularly special about this bear to me. The food was okay. My food was just pretty much bland. The best part was the brioche bun, and then the tomato soup was to die for. I told you, I'm serious about my bubble baths. I really enjoy them. Okay, so I just came out of the store and I got some t-shirts, and then I also got something from Sephora. I'll show you it later. Yeah. So now I'm gonna go downstairs and look at the CBD shop and then get some coffee. Realized that during this whole trip there was not one drug dealer who offered me any of his or her product, and I was pissed because think about it. I watched The Hangover. In The Hangover, they took shrooms and they watched a show. They watched Cirque du Soleil, and I had plans to do the same. Am I going to take some shrooms? Am I going to smoke a little bit and get blitzed up before I watch a nice show? That didn't happen. Why? Because there was not one drug dealer who offered me anything. Not that I've ever done drugs before, but if you're going to do drugs, why not do it in Vegas? Because you know what they say, what happens in Vegas stays in Vegas. While I didn't get to fulfill my drug fantasies of watching Cirque du Soleil while blazed out of my mind, I was very hurt by the presence of homeless person sitting right outside the hotel. So you're telling me, in this place full of abundance, flowing wealth, flowing wealth everywhere, that there are still homeless people um, begging for food. There are people looking for jobs with all of this affluence all around them. Are you serious? Is the hotel helping these people? Is anyone helping these people? Because it just strikes me as quite odd that there are people literally sleeping in front of Caesar's Palace that makes money around the clock. And they're outside in the cold, and then we're forced to walk past them. Well, not forced. I mean, people did help them out, myself included. Um, but the thing is, I just think it's so odd that that kind of disparity exists in this place, front and center, um, in a tourist related area. There are no words to describe how delectable these Wagyu tacos actually were. I wasn't so fond about the sushi. I had vegetable sushi, but the tacos just melt in your mouth. It is literally like eating butter in meat form, if that makes any sense. It's like butter, it just dissolves right into your tongue. Good morning, guys. How are you? Okay, I'm so tired from last night. I went to Nobu for dinner, and then after that, I did a walk around the hotel. I had some drinks, I played some slots. The night was wonderful. So I've kind of lost my voice from screaming so much because I was excited for a few wins, but now I am up. I just took a shower, so I'll turn the camera to get you the last shots. Okay, so I took a shower and all my things are already packed so that I can go home. So we'll just do one last spin of the bathroom area. Okay, let's do one last walk through the room before it's time to leave. This is the closet. This is safe. Excuse my garbage. So it's my bed. It's ruined. I need to fix it. Some takeout and different things that I was eating. Well, I wish the furniture wasn't so scratched, but I mean, it's whatever. If you want better furniture, then you have to pay more money and then get a different room. So I couldn't decide if I wanted to wear this black shirt or if I should stick to the shirt that I'm wearing now. And then just an ice bucket from last night. I love collectibles. I gotta have my coffee all day. Some water, you definitely need a lot of water. And I took a lot of trips to CVS. I wish I found somewhere else I could get a larger size, but I couldn't. And then this is the couch area. And then this is the couch area. Just some extra. It's the couch area, some extra jeans and everything. I don't know which one I want to wear. So, purse, laptop bag, Louis Vuitton laptop bag. It's very nice, very sturdy. Yeah. So, the room is actually very large. So, let me show you the entire room. Yeah, so you can see how big it is. And then this is the view. I really don't like this section here, this top of the roof, but whatever. I do have a great view of the strip. And then I'm looking into the Nobu Hotel, where I hope to stay next time. We will see one day. That's on my list of things I want to do whenever I return. I don't know when that will be, but stranger things have happened. So yeah. Also, I didn't get to see any shows while I was here, because most of the shows are just now coming around. And there was Absinthe. I don't know if you can, okay, now you can see the advertisement. Absinthe is being performed now, but the tickets were sold out. And Absinthe actually takes place right next door to Hell's Kitchen. When you go around the bend, there's a tent, and it's closed off so that you can just view it, of course. And that's it. So I'm going to finish getting ready so that I can go to the airport. And well, I need to check out first, check out, and then go to the airport and just wait until my flight, and hopefully it's not going to be postponed, because I am exhausted and I just want to get home right now and go to bed. Okay, so I'll see you at the airport or at checkout. I don't know if I'm going to film checkout, but we'll see. Okay, so this is the wishing well, and I have 3 coins here, one for my mother, one for my brother, and one for me. So I'm just going to make a wish and toss it in and hope that it comes true.